Hey you guys, so today I'm going to do a full face look using this Moodstruck Addiction Palette 6. Now this is on sale this month and I have an amazing deal for you. So if you're interested, just go ahead and comment to me or go ahead and message me through Messenger and I will get you hooked up. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I already have my full face on. I have my concealer and my spray foundation. So I'm going to start off with this palette 6. I'm going to use Enthralled for my contour. It's a little bit darker here, so let's do this. I'm going to go in with the same color Enthralled, and I'm going to start working on my eyebrows for this look. Next, I'm going to go in with this Impressive color to start working on the base of my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with the Blazing with this smudge brush, and I'm just going to do it right on the crease of my eyelid to blend out. Take that same brush that you used in that same color Blazing to outdo your eyeliner. Same color Blazing, I'm going to go start working on my blush. I'm going to go in with my Calm here, and I'm going to do the base or the very top of my eyes right underneath the eyebrow line. Next, go in with your Delightful right here for the inner corner of your eyes. I'm going to use this Lofty right here for my highlight and a little bit of shine to my cheeks and my nose. Next, you're going to want to put any type of lip balm of your choice for your lips before you apply an eyeshadow for the color. So I have just my basic lip balm moisturizing right here, and then I'm going to use the Blazing. So I'm just going to actually use my finger and work the color out.